Is your Shopify store's slow speed driving customers away? Studies show that a 1-second delay can reduce conversions by 7%. But don't worry, we're here to help you speed up your store and boost your sales. A fast-loading store not only enhances user experience but also improves your search engine rankings, leading to increased traffic and higher sales. Compress and resize images to reduce load times without compromising quality. Deactivate and remove apps that aren't essential to streamline your site's performance. Choose lightweight, responsive themes designed for speed. Enable lazy loading so images load only when they appear on the screen, saving bandwidth and improving speed. Minify your site's code to eliminate unnecessary characters, making it leaner and faster. Optimizing your Shopify store can be complex. Let our experts handle it for you. Visit Task Force Store Shopify Speed Optimization Services for a free store audit and take the first step towards a faster, more profitable store.